Ready?
I started.
This is an elevator.
It's an Otis.
Not sure what the name of this place is.
It's a small elevator.
Really small. Wow.
It's vintage but modernized.
Slow.
So let's get off at one. Let's switch sides.
Sounds good.
Or you want to go down and get out pot two.
You can switch sides.
Yeah. Let's get off at one.
Nothing too special.
Yeah.
But I'm really curious what this thing used to be.
It had an old Otis. I think this was an Otis Lexan or a series. More like Lexan, I would say.
Yeah. Here we are.
Look as an old Otis.
Just gonna look at the certificate. There's the name of the building.
That's it.